Win7 mute sound in mixer for particular application by keyboard shortcut. I was wondering whether there is a way to mute/unmute a particular application in the mixer by a keyboard shortcut. So e.g. by Ctrl+MW to mute/unmute the sound of Winamp. I am not asking about muting sound in general, as in is there a shortcut to mute sound in Windows 7, but the sound for a particular application.
The solution is to use the freeware Win7 tool and create a desktop shortcut with whatever hotkey you'd like in order to run one of the following commands. As documented at this URL. Change app volume, process, volume level, device name index, examples, change app volume iExplore.exe-0.2 change app volume dumbplayer.exe 0.55 speaker shanji app volume 1275-0.251 change app volume firefox.exe 0.5.
If you want to work channel, these are little achievements, sorry.